Here is how we can restart the iPhone in the settings. So if you open up the settings, we can of course access plenty of different things, but there is also the ability to turn off the device, because most people are used to turning off the device by holding down on the volume down and a power button like this and sliding to power off. However, you can also get to the very same thing, the very same place inside of the settings. So you can go to the settings general section, and at the bottom you can see the shutdown button. So instead of holding down on the buttons, you can click on a shutdown, and then now you can as well slide to power off and get the same result. Right, so that's what you're gonna do, definitely. But keep in mind that if anything happened to your device, or if you need the force restart, you can always do it by using the gesture of pressing volume up, volume down, and then holding down on the side button. So it would look like this: up, down, and holding on the other side. Make sure you keep on holding, and after some time the screen is going to go black and the iPhone is going to restart. So we just wait for the Apple logo to pop up like that, and now I can lift up my finger, and that is yet another way you can restart the device. But it's called force restart, and you can do it everywhere, even outside of the settings. So these are all of the options which I believe you needed to know about. If there are some more thoughts or questions you might have, definitely leave them below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.